Identify the brushing technique in given images. Okay, so we have two images here and we have something very different here. The type of brush is not regular bristle, it has circular kind of a cross section, okay, and it's at an angle, okay, it's not straight, and it's in a round motion, okay. So based on these information here, let us try to decode this question. Hobo technique, Phones technique, scrub technique, and solo technique. There is no hobo technique of toothbrushing, not that we've come across ever. So that is gone. Phones technique is rounded, okay. So it's a circular motion. This is also looking like it has circular motion, but that is in kids. It's advised in kids, and here we can see that it's in an adult. So we can put a question mark to this for now. Scrub technique is not at a 45-degree angle. Neither is Phones technique. Okay, so that eliminates Phones technique because the angulation in Phones technique is not like this. So we can eliminate Phones technique. Scrub technique we can eliminate because scrubbing is not at an angulation like this. Neither it is in circular motion. That leaves us with hobo technique and solo technique, both of which are unheard of. The answer to this question is solo technique, which is not given in many of the standard textbooks. It was given in the year 2000 by Giri Sedlmayr. It is an alternative to the usual scrubbing for individuals who can devote more time. So it is a more dexterous kind of a toothbrushing technique where the patient has to be more motivated. The problem with the classical toothbrushes is that when they are used, they are recommended with non-traumatic slight pressure, and that is why the cleaning cannot be achieved. So here a new toothbrush design was proposed. So a soft, round, single tufted toothbrush with light force. The technique cleans the tooth by tooth above all the lingual aspects perfectly, including the marginal and deep into the interdental space. So it is going to clean each tooth individually by this round, soft, single unitufted brush, and it also maintains the gingival hygiene and the interdental areas. So the answer to this question is solo technique.